1, 2, 3. We are Katzenjammer.
And come see our show at Columbia Halle March 6th.
So now we're going to play Lady Grey, which is the oldest song actually on the album. It's about an old lady with Alzheimer's, which is the first patient I had as a nurse with Alzheimer's. And I didn't know anything about her because she couldn't speak. She didn't have any family. So I sort of made up my own little story about her. And that's what you're going to hear now.
That was Lady Grey. Yeah, and now we're gonna play My Dear, a song that Sola wrote, but I sing it. My Dear is about when you're in this place in life where you have a man and a baby, and you settle a family life, and you have so much close to your heart, and you starting wonder how it will be when you're getting old. And will the husband still do the same stuff for you? And
will he keep the romance?
Yeah, will he keep the romance in the family life? Yeah.
Mm.